Mr. Doug Evans, welcome to the School for Good Living podcast.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be here, Brilliant.
I'm glad you are. Will you tell me, please, what is life about?
I mean, life is about whatever you choose to make it about, under whatever circumstance and whatever hand you're dealt. Like, life is the meaning that you give to it.
And what have you chosen to make your life about?
I mean, for me, the first part of my life was just figuring out, like, why am I here? What's going on? Managing those voices in my head. Now that I'm clear, I look at how I can make contribution, how I can make service, how I can make the world healthier, people healthier, how I could, contribute to more compassionate living. And so the vehicle for that, for me, other than my voice, is speaking for the sprouts.
With that, I hope you enjoy this conversation with my friend, Doug Evans.